Food security can be traced back to the experience of Bengal famine in 1943 during British rule. Nearly 3 million people died due to starvation.
After independence, initially our national leaders gave importance to industrialization. Meanwhile, our nation experienced two successive droughts in mid-1960s. This experience made the need of food reserves and supply of food.
India relied on food aid from US government under its policy PL 480.
As of 1963, nearly 4.5 million tons of food grains imported from the USA to curb the hunger in India.
Subsequently, wars with China in 1962 and Pakistan in 1965 lead to the decline of agriculture in India.
In order to achieve self-sustainability in food grain production, Green Revolution was introduced in India by Dr. M.S. Swaminathan in the late 1960s by introducing high-yielding varieties of wheat in our country. This changed the landscape of food production in India.
By the Food Corporation Act 1964, Government of India established FCI on 14th January 1965 with the main objective of proper price support to protect the interest of farmers as well as consumers. Effective distribution of food grains through PDS. Maintenance of operational and buffer stocks of food grains.
From the inception of Food Corporation of India,
FCI Divisional Office Visakhapatnam plays an important role in procuring food grains in Visakhapatnam and Vizianagaram districts. Apart from this, FCI Divisional Office Visakhapatnam takes part in distribution of food grains by road movement to Vizianagaram and Vizag districts, by rail to Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, and by water to 16 PDCs of Andaman and Nicobar Islands under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana.
Namaskar. FCI Visakhapatnam is ensuring food grain supply to the weaker section of Vizianagaram and Visakhapatnam district under PMGKY scheme, so that there should not be any person sleep hunger. Food Corporation of India is performing in various parts of India, and Visakhapatnam division is also ensuring procurement, storage, movement and distribution of food grain. Similarly, for the remote area like Andaman and Nicobar Islands, we are dispatching the food grain their previous requirement through vessel movement from main depot Visakhapatnam.
Now, let's take a look at shipping of food grains to Andaman and Nicobar Islands from FCI main depot Visakhapatnam. It is manned by FCI own security staff monitoring 24/7.
once the truck arrives at main depot, the security personnel thoroughly verifies the intended truck whether to enter into the godown with proper credentials.
As a due process, the gate pass and the token is generated at the main gate by the gate in charge.
The truck proceeds to electronic lorry weighbridge. As these trucks are of extra length and FCM main depot Vizag has 60 metric tons of lorry weighbridge, it is possible here to perform the container weighment.
The weighments are taken on real time with the depot online management system, and the trucks are designated to the respective blocks.
The containers are closed vessels, and here they are stacked in such a way for proper and effective movement.
The samples are drawn and thoroughly verified for infestation and moisture content.
We are very happy to work in this tremendous organization. In FCI, our main motto is to provide food security to our nation. As a part of it, FCI did an incredible job during COVID-19 crisis. At present, in Vizag depot, shipment is going on. Shipment is carried out through container moving to Andaman. As a part of shipment, we take truckway samples to draw moisture contents, and same will be updated in DOS. And as a part of it, we also collect joint samples, and same samples will be preserved and sealed.
So as to ensure sound grains to reach the destination.
The due process is followed by checks and super checks of the concerned officers.
We welcome you to FCI FSD main depot Visakhapatnam under the regional office Andhra Pradesh. So here we are one of the oldest godowns in this region. But we have done an operation of procurement of 33,000 metric tons this year, and we preserved 38,574 metric tons of food grains annually.
So different kind of operations like rake inward, rake outward, shipment, container movement, as well as export also. We are very proud to say that we became a part of humanitarian assistance to the Madagascar and Comoros by exporting 2,000 metric tons of raw rice during COVID pandemic period in association with Indian Navy.
There is Pradhan Mantri Garibi Anna Kalyan Yojana during the lockdown period, and with the involvement of NGOs, we have met the needy poor and their hunger.
As an employee, we are very proud to be a part of this kind of prestigious organization, which is ensuring food security to the nation.
Once the loading process is completed, the containers are sealed and weighment is done, which ensures no transit loss in the movement operations. These containers will be taken to port, and after loading all the containers, they were stacked into shape to transport for Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Likewise, Vizag is being a port city, and FCA main depot Visakhapatnam has an advantage to utilize the port to serve many countries like Madagascar, Comoros during crisis situations through various Government of India programs as a sign of help.
FCI Divisional Office Visakhapatnam is also actively participating in various Government of India programs such as Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, International Yoga Day, Rashtriya Poshan Mah, Hindi Divas, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and Vigilance Awareness Week.
India has grown from a state of importing food grains from other countries to exporting food grains to various countries, in which FCI has played a major role.
Poor people cannot be denied food by their poverty. To provide food and nutritional security in human life by ensuring access to adequate quantity of food at affordable prices to people to live a life with dignity. Jai Hind!